bomber. 183 aircraft of the Imperial Japanese First Fleet has invaded America's island base at Pearl Harbor. Two young servicemen on a point called down to their commander saying, "We have a large flight of aircraft coming in." He said, "Don't worry about it. You all go ahead and go to breakfast." Whereby they can destroy America's Pacific Fleet at Pearl Harbor. The Mitsubishi A-6 the fastest aircraft in the Japanese fleet. Very light, very long range. But it didn't have any protection. And as a result of that, if you'll see from the left, you'll see a P-40 Warhawk coming in on the scene of one of the Japanese. Two young servicemen came in off the